Hey Valormental, Mr. Dudley here with a G67 mini video. This is on 5.8 AB, percent of change, and this is the worksheet that accompanies the video. So we've got to find the percent of change and round to the nearest tenth if necessary. State whether the percent of change is an increase or a decrease. So, all right, originally we had 8 points. The new score is 10 points. The thing to remember on this is you put the change over the original and make a fraction. So if I take 10 points minus 8 points, I have 2 points. I put that over the original, and you get 2 divided by 8. Now you could take and pop that in or do it in your head. 2 divided by 8. You're going to get 0.25 here. And then make that into an increase, multiply it by 100. You see that it's 25%. And it is an increase because it went from 8 points to 10 points. If it went from 10 points to 8 points, it would be a decrease. Okay? So let's take a look here on this next section. Now we have to do some percent markup and percent off. A couple of ways to do this. There's the hard way, I think. You take the $22 right down here, and you figure out what 30 or 35% of that is. So just multiply it times 0.35. You get $7.70. We'll add that to the 22, and you get a total of $29.70. My wife likes to do things that way. I do it in one step. I take the $22 and I multiply it by 100% and the extra 35%, because you're going to have to pay the $22. That's the 100% of it, plus the extra 35%. Slam bam, thank you, ma'am. $29.70. So 2 ways to do that. Here, take a look at the percent off here. Same thing. You got $29 and it's 25% off. Well, I think about it this way. If you take that $29 and you multiply it by 75%, because again, if you get 25% off, you have to pay 75%. So I do it in one step and say that the price is $21.75. You could do it the other way. You could take $29, you could multiply it by 0.25, which is 25%, and you could subtract that $7.25 from 29. But why not do it in one smooth motion? Here, let's take a look at another one here. It's 40% off. If something is 40% off, then you're going to have to pay 60%. So take $34 and what is it, 95 cents? 95 cents. We're going to multiply that by the 60% that we have to pay, $20.97. Slam bam, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for listening. Bye.